Tata Motors has launched the Nexon Red Dark Editions, while updates on the Nexon are cosmetic only. Prices for the Nexon Red Dark Edition starts at 12.35 lakh rupees. Red Dark Editions get black exterior with red bit. Nexon Red Dark. What's different? Like the popular Safari, Nexon, and Harrier Dark Red Editions, the newly introduced Red Dark Edition gets an all-black Oberon black exterior color scheme and absolute red insert on the front grille. When it comes to the interior, all the Red Dark Edition models get carnelian red seat upholstery and a grey trim on the dashboard. Nexon Red Dark. What's new? Tata Motors had only showcased the Safari and Harrier Red Dark Editions at the Auto Expo 2023 in January, with the Nexon Red Dark Edition being added to the lineup. Now with this, the Nexon is now available in 3 special editions, including the regular Dark Edition and Kaziranga Edition. The Nexon Red Dark, meanwhile, gets red highlights on the fog lamp surround and subtle red inserts on Triaro grille. Based on the top spec XZ Plus Lux trim, the Nexon Red Dark gets features like tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, sunroof, inbuilt air purifier, wireless charger, cruise control, ventilated seats, and connected car tech. The special Red Dark edition of the SUV carry forward the same RDE-compliant powertrains that were recently introduced by Tata Motors. The Nexon comes with a 120 horsepower, 1.2-litre turbo petrol and a 115 horsepower, 1.5-litre diesel, with both the engines being paired to either a 6-speed manual or AMT gearbox. Tata is offering a 3-year, 1 lakh kms warranty as standard on the Red Dark edition of the SUV. Other than this, there is no mechanical or dimensional updates. So what do you think about newly launched Nexon Red Dark Edition at this price point? Does it give the real hike similar to the previously launched Dark Editions like Harrier, Safari and Nexon? Drop your thoughts in the comments section to let us know.